Welcome back. Well, the Nifty is at around that 18,200 odd mark, and that means that the Nifty Bank is the one that's taking us higher. Nifty Bank and Reliance Industries as well showed some traction. Keep in mind, now after this big move that we're seeing on the Nifty Bank, we're only 0.5% away from fresh all-time highs on the Nifty Bank. Let's see whether or not we get that final push out there. But for the time being, let's hop across to Nimesh. He's joining us. Hi, Nimesh. What are you picking up? Flows are strong. The FIs, they have been showing us a lot of love, a lot of money in the last few days. Expecting that to continue?
Expected that to continue, but may not be that large. Even on Friday, that was a feedback that they are buyers, but they are not large buyers. That seems to be the case today as well. So the flows are mixed. There is a bit of profit booking as well. And remember, there are a lot of stocks which are reacting to earnings as well. So there is a bit of that flows as well, which is impacting many of those large cap stocks. Again, a day of consolidation. We've been saying that there is a room for markets to go up above 18,300. There will be a clear breakout, so that's the level to watch out. But before that, you'll see some bit of consolidation. That's normally the trend, and that's playing out in today's trade. As I said, the flows are mixed, so there is a bit of profit booking as well in some select names. But the rally is clearly led by the PSU banks. That seems to be the big flavor of the day in terms of buying interest as well. The other sector which has done remarkably well today are the tire stocks.
Yes.
We saw some move in the auto ancillaries. Now I guess it's a time for the tire companies to do well. So the entire pack is doing good today. Apollo Tires is doing good. MRF, Balkrishna Tires, all are buzzing in trade today, and they're well bid as well. So there is a bit of interest back in that particular space from the larger institutions. As I said, that's been the trend of this earnings season. We are seeing a lot of sharp reactions to the earnings. The top, if you look at the top two winners and gainers today, both are because of the sharp reactions to the earnings. So that's clearly playing out in many of those names. But a day of consolidation with a positive bias. The FIs are positive, but there is a bit of profit booking as well. So it's a mix in terms of flows. PSU banks and tire stocks are where there is a lot of interest, but there is profit booking as well in some of the large cap names.
Well, that's right, Nimesh. The outsized reaction that you're getting, Britannia, well, the numbers are good. The management commentary was even better, so stock is up 9%. Divi's, the numbers are weak, and the management commentary is strong.
Then,
but the street is saying that we heard it the last couple of quarters. Yes. Now we want to see delivery because the management sounded extremely positive on the call. But individual stocks, what are you picking up?
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first stock is Intellect Design. That stock, if you see Y2D, that stock is on 40%. And today there were a couple of blocks. One happened in the pre-open and one happened around 12 o'clock. And I believe it was a clean-out trade from one of the leading AIF. And in terms of buyers, a couple of large HNI seems to be buyer in Intellect Design. So that's a stock to watch purely from a delivery point of view, as well as the fact that selling pressure from a leading AIF is out of the way now. So that's the first one. The second stock is Restaurant Brand Asia. That's the company which owns Burger King. And again, that stock has been consolidating off late. But now I believe there's going to be a large corporate development soon. The indication is that maybe they're going to acquire something, and that's pretty much on the cards. So that's the reason why this stock should be in focus. The third stock is Polycab India. Again, good stock, been consolidating. Every now and then there is a buzz of a large block deal. Looks like now that the earnings are over, that block can come very soon. So that's something to watch out for. And the last stock is Piramal Pharma. I picked up this stock largely because there is a lot of trading interest as well now in Piramal Pharma. Remember last week when there was a MSCI selling, a lot of large HNIs bought into this stock. But today the stock is under pressure, largely on back of a large selling pressure from a leading FII. So the delivery volumes are going to be quite high. And today's underperformance is largely because there is a large supply coming in from a leading FII in Piramal Pharma.
For that interesting chatter there, Nimesh